Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick but super useful MX Linux power tip. Have you ever opened up the default MX updater tool and felt a bit stuck? It is great for keeping your system safe, but it has one big limitation. It forces you into an all or nothing choice. You see a big list of text updates, but you cannot select just one package to install right away. There are no checkboxes. You either update everything or you update nothing. But what if you only want to update your web browser today and leave the rest alone? In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to gain total control over your updates. To bypass this limitation, we need to use a much more powerful system tool called Synaptic. First, head down to your Start menu in the bottom left corner. Click it open and type Synaptic into the search bar. Once it pops up, hit Enter. Once authorized, the Synaptic Package Manager interface will open up on your screen. When Synaptic first opens, it shows you thousands of packages available for Linux. That is way too much noise for what we want to do. To clean this up, look at the very bottom of the left-hand menu, click on the button that says Custom Filters. Now look just above that and select Upgradable, Upstream. What this does is instantly hide everything else and only displays the packages currently installed on your computer that have a newer update waiting for them. This keeps our workspace clean and focused. Now, if you change your mind and wanted to update everything right here, you could easily click Mark All Upgrades at the top. But remember, we want total control. Let's say we only want to update our web browser, Firefox. Click on the search button in the top toolbar. A small search window will pop up. Type in Firefox and hit Enter. Find Firefox in the filtered list. Right-click on it and choose Mark for Upgrade. You will see the icon next to it change. To start the update, click the green Apply checkmark button at the top of your screen. Oh, look at that. We ran into a classic Linux error. A pop-up tells us that the update failed because version 153 of Firefox was not found on the server. If we copy that repository web link and paste it into our web browser to check the official MX Linux server, we can see exactly why. Version 153 is completely missing from the page. It looks like the package developers pushed out a newer fix and deleted the old one. To fix this broken link, go back into Synaptic. Click on Edit in the very top menu bar and then click Reload Package Information. This tells your computer to refresh its local memory and fetch the most up-to-date links directly from the live internet servers. Now look closely at the screen. The version number for Firefox instantly changed from 153 to 154. Our system now knows exactly where the correct file lives. With Firefox marked for upgrade one more time, click Apply. As you can see, the download progress bar is moving smoothly and the update installs with 0 errors. And you are all set. You just learned how to manually pick your updates and fix a broken repository link. If this video helped you out today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Linux tips. See you in the next video.